Imagine waking up to the gentle hum of integrated solar cells as dawn's first light spills through a panoramic windshield that spans the width of your home on wheels. You step onto the fold-out deck, coffee in hand, and gaze across a misty forest. This isn't a dream, this is the 2025 Futuristic Camper, a masterpiece of design, engineering, and sustainable innovation that redefines the way we explore the world. Every angle of this vehicle is sculpted for purpose. The bodywork combines aerospace-grade aluminum with self-healing smart polymers that seal minor scratches and dents. An active aerodynamic system deploys retractable side fins and an array of tiny vents to channel airflow, reducing drag on the highway and stabilizing the rig when you're hitting winding backroads. Embedded flush in the roof is a photovoltaic skin that harvests even diffuse light, delivering up to 4 kilowatts of electricity on a sunny day. Below deck, a lithium titanate battery pack stores enough energy to power onboard systems for days without refueling. Paired with a compact hydrogen fuel cell generator and optional hybrid turbo generator, this camper can traverse continents, from sun-scorched deserts to snow-capped passes, with zero emissions when you choose all-electric mode. At the back, a telescoping platform extends to reveal a drone launch pad. Before you break camp, deploy your reconnaissance drone for a scouting flight. High-resolution thermal imaging cameras feed you real-time maps of the terrain, wildlife hotspots, or potential hazards. And if you're filming a travel vlog, the drone captures sweeping cinematic footage, automatically edited and color-graded by onboard AI for instant sharing. Inside, the 2025 camper feels less like a caravan and more like a luxury micro-apartment. Ambient lighting adapts to your circadian rhythm. A virtual window wall displays live panoramic scenes when sections are closed for privacy. Crisp OLED panels create lifelike views or mood-setting vistas. Imagine watching a rainforest waterfall cascade past your sofa at sunrise, even if you're parked in a desert canyon. The lounge area features modular seating on magnetic rails. Rearrange the benches in seconds to host dinner with friends or convert into a daybed for a movie night. Touch surfaces let you control every aspect: lighting, temperature, sound, and window opacity. A discrete ceiling array of directional speakers immerses you in high-fidelity audio without disturbing the peace outside. Kitchen duties become a delight, not a chore. The countertop incorporates an induction stove, a biodegradable biomass grill, and a self-cleaning, ultraviolet sanitizing sink. A compact hydroponic garden module grows fresh herbs and microgreens. Just add nutrient solution and LED grow lights. Leftover gray water is filtered through a multi-stage membrane system, then recycled for toilet flushing or plant irrigation. Your command center is a palm-sized AI hub. It